Hi everyone, this is Tess. Welcome back to my channel. I am on here to give an update for Sunday, April 22nd, 2018. As you've seen the pic before this clip, I am down 1.6 for the week, making it a total of 117.2 pounds down and 42.8 pounds more to go. Wonderland is creeping around the corner and I'm so excited about it. I haven't seen this weight in years, over 30 years, so I'm so excited about it. This is all new weight for me. I have gotten down to 211 one time before, but I've not ever reached the point where I'm at now. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to hit Wonderland, and I know that this could probably be something that drags on, but you know what? I'm okay with it. I'm so excited that I have been able to stick to this since January 2017. This has been the longest I have stuck to my weight loss program, and it's not a diet because it's something. It's the way I'm going to eat for the rest of my life. I just learned to change things differently on how I eat, what I eat, and it seems to be working. I make sure that I get my exercise in, and I don't exercise every day, but I try to get in at least 3 days of exercise a week. This past week of HIIT training has been on a hold because I injured my rib. Not sure how, but I'm waiting for that to heal up before I do any more on that. Other than that, everything's been really, really good. I will have what I ate in a day on the end of this here video, and guess that's really about it. Don't really have anything more else to say unless I just go into details about how I lose weight. I know people have sent me messages and ask, well, what all do I do? I'm not sure they're just not watching the videos, or if I'm not explaining it enough. So what I do is, my husband and I are late nighters, so we're up quite a bit late during the night. So most of the time I don't get up until at least 10 in the morning. By the time I get up, make coffee, do my fasted cardio, I do not eat breakfast, and I'm not hungry when I get up anyway. So I don't eat breakfast, but by noon I eat a lunch, and most of the time it varies. This past week I've been eating scrambled eggs or eggs over easy with toast. I did switch up my bread. I went from the Aunt Millie's light to the sugar-free one. I still use the light margarine. I use Pam spray for my eggs. Sometimes I have a fruit with it. And then it depends on how hungry I am. If not, then I will have the fruit later on in the afternoon with either a boiled egg or a spoon of peanut butter. I find that is what keeps my blood sugar from going up, is if I have some type of protein with it. And then my dinner consists of, most of the time, it is salad or cod, and I will either have a red potato that I put in the microwave. I will put a tablespoon of sour cream on it. Depending on how much fat I've had during the day, it's more or less, I usually use a half tablespoon of light margarine. Salt and pepper, and then I have my veggies. Most of the time it's broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, California blend, or it's green beans. And with the green beans, I like to put half a tablespoon of, and this is for a whole can, so half a tablespoon of margarine in the bottom of the skillet, let it melt, put the green beans in there, and then sprinkle some garlic over it, and fry that up that way, and that will serve me 2 meals, and I'll have that with my tilapia and my red potato. I'm off of the sweet potatoes right now. I was having them for a while, but I was getting sick of them, so now I'm on eating the red potatoes or the white rice. Sometimes I will use the brown rice, sometimes white rice, depending. Sometimes I like mixing them. So, um, and then I will have a salad with my dinner. The salad usually lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and onion. I'm out of cucumber, so now it's just the lettuce, tomato, and onion until I get back to the store. And I do use my own. I make my own sauce, my own dressing for my salad, and I use a teaspoon of olive oil, and I don't measure the apple cider vinegar. I just put some of that in there and a little bit of a sweetener, not a whole packet, but a little bit in from the packet, and mix that all up and pour that over my salad, and that's all I'll have. I also will have a snack before bedtime. It used to be the peanut butter toast. Or the blueberries and the French toast. It depends what I would have. Here lately, past couple days, I've been having the crispy rice cereal with cashew milk. I have like 2 cups of the cereal and the milk, because my calories, by the time I get done with my lunch and my dinner, my calories is only around 600 and something. So I have to get those calories up there a bit. So that's normally how I do it. And that seems to work. My blood sugars are running really, really great. I'm not on any insulin anymore. So I can't complain any at all about this way of eating. If I want something, something the family has, I will either have mine and freeze it until Sunday, or I don't mean have it. I mean, I will put mine in the freezer until Sunday. Or we will just have it on that day. If there's something they want, I'll just say, well, we'll just have it on Sunday since that's my day off anyway. And it's not my day off as for I eat whatever I want all day long. I still eat the same way. I get up, have my coffee, do my fasted cardio, have eggs with my lunch. Most of the time, that's what I have is eggs. I love eggs, and eggs is very filling. And then I will have my normal fish and salad and veggie and a potato for my dinner, and then my snack at night. Now, I did have a couple days this week where I had something different, and what I did was I had made a cheeseburger salad, and I just had my, it was a turkey burger, and I put cheese on it after it was ready, and then I cut up pieces and put it in my salad, and that was my dinner for that night. So like 2 nights out of the week, my carbs are a little bit lower because I don't have carbs with that meal. And that's okay. I mean, it's okay to limit your carbs to some point, but not to take it all away. So anyway, I guess that's all I have to say. I need to get this here done before my daughter comes over and before my son gets home from church, and got a little bit of time left before he's going to be home. But anyway, I hope you all have a great great Sunday, great next week, and enjoy the nice weather while we have it. And don't give up. I know I watch people's videos where they're struggling. Don't give up. It will happen. If you are stuck in a point where your weight loss is not going nowhere, change it up. Do something different. I added eggs to my meals for the past couple days and during the week, and that really helped that helped my weight loss a lot. But don't ever give up, because you can do things to get the scales moving again. I will have what I eat in a day video taped at the end, pictures. I may be able to record over them. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. Have a great week next week, and I will talk to you again on Sunday. Bye. For Tuesday's lunch, I have scrambled eggs and strawberries. Tuesday's dinner is a turkey burger salad. Friday's lunch is 3 scrambled eggs with sugar-reduced ketchup and a banana. Friday's dinner is tilapia and green beans and a salad. Saturday's lunch is green beans with turkey meatballs. Saturday's dinner is buffalo chicken in a salad and my California blend vegetables. Thanks for watching, and please sub and comment below that you sub me and I will sub you back.